In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monetize your Substack newsletter. If you've been publishing on Substack and you're ready to start earning from your work, I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what each option means, so you can turn on paid subscriptions with confidence. First, open Substack and head into your publication. From your dashboard, click the Create button, then choose Article. Opening a draft puts you inside the editor, and that matters because the controls we need live within the article view. With your draft open, look to the lower right corner of the editor and click Settings. This panel is where you manage how your post and your publication behave. Inside Settings, find the Paid Subscriptions section. Depending on your current setup, you might see this area dimmed or crossed out, which simply means paid subscriptions aren't active yet. If the option is available, you'll spot a toggle or button to turn on paid subscription. Click that to enable monetization for your newsletter. Once paid is turned on, you'll be able to set your pricing. You'll see fields for a monthly amount, an annual amount, and a founding amount. Monthly is ideal for readers who want flexibility and a lower commitment. Annual bundles the value of the year, typically encouraging long-term support with a better overall deal. The founding amount is a higher-tier option for your most dedicated supporters who want to contribute more. Take a moment to consider the cadence of your posts, the depth of your content, and the extras you plan to offer paying readers. Many creators start conservatively, gauge response, and adjust pricing over time as their audience grows and their offering becomes clearer. You'll also notice a Connect with Stripe button. Stripe is the secure payment processor that handles subscriptions and deposits funds to your bank account. While connecting Stripe is necessary to actually receive payments, the full setup for that process is covered in a separate video. For now, just note where that button is so you can complete it when you're ready. That's the entire flow. Open Substack, click Create, choose Article, open Settings in the lower right, and turn on paid subscriptions. After you set your monthly, annual, and founding amounts, your publication is ready to welcome paying readers. As you finalize things, think about how you'll communicate the benefits of going paid. Clear notes in your posts about what subscribers get, like bonus issues, early access, or special recognition, help readers understand the value. Keep an eye on your results, listen to feedback, and refine over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.